Unit Solutions International. Welcome to the future. Unit Solutions International is a revolutionary green high-tech construction company with focus on energy consumption reduction. Unit Solutions International stands for ingenious, fast, easy, sustainable, and efficient construction solutions for buildings of any type and shape. We are proud to introduce System 44, the new generation of buildings. We are prepared for the challenges of today's building need. Our solution saves worldwide resources and helps our environment. We are providing innovative solutions to easily and quickly build green, spread infrastructure, and enable the local population to reach self-sustainability and eco-efficiency. The construction principle is very similar to what most of us can relate to as the Lego blocks combined with the IKEA assembly philosophies. The solution implementation reduces housing-related carbon footprint impact by 47%.